In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Biometrics and Password. Then hit Face Recognition, but to continue you need to have your lock screen on. If you don't, you won't be able to add face data. So make sure you have screen lock, then tap on Face Recognition and enter your login method I just mentioned to continue. Click on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to enable or disable this option and tap on Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, make sure this switcher next to unlock is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your phone using face recognition. So now, when I go back to check it out, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!